Sani Bonani Ninjani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're speaking about Julius Malema, the president of the EFF, the founder and the president. Looks like he's been going through a lot the past few years, or actually let's just say last year. So there are rumors that Julius Malema is divorced, or the wife has filed for the divorce. So Julius Malema got married in 2014. Yes, so he got married in 2014 to his long-time girlfriend Umantwa Matlala. And I remember when Julius Malema was getting married, everyone was saying, "Oh, Mantwa comes from a rich family," or something like that. So they tied the knot on the 27th and 28th December 2014. It was a private traditional ceremony in Malema's hometown of Seshego in Limpopo province. So again, the celebration was attended by close family, friends and invited guests under heavy security to keep the event very intimate. Many guests arrived by helicopter and only those invited were allowed in. It was traditional wedding ceremony with a lot of cultural elements. Umantwa was wearing a colorful navy outfit detailing, while Malema wear traditional attire too. The setting was a marquee outside the family home. Okay, and then after the marriage, the couple has kept much of their private life off the spotlight. They have 2 sons together, and Malema again has another son from a previous relationship. So they have 3 kids together. So over the years, they have celebrated anniversaries and sharing moments, showing a strong family bond. Even last year, we're in 2026 right now, but in 2024 we last saw Malema celebrating its 10th anniversary. So in 2024 they had a 10th anniversary. No girl. So Musa Kaula, who does not lie that much, has revealed that Malema stop to send people ukuthi bazomkhokhela imali ukuthi angakhulumi ngedivorce yakhe. Apparently it's official. Mantwa has filed for the divorce. Before that there were rumors just a few months ago ukuthi the girlfriend of Julius Malema guys abantu banemali uyithengele a G-Wagon. So apparently ujola no ontha whose really name is Onthanti. Guys hayi now we are Zulu phela gama lakho Onthantile. She's an influencer and she was dating also kusho ukuthi imali ayazi imali bake waqala ngendoda ebroke uzojola indoda ebroke kuzokuthi ugoba iqolo waqala indoda enemali uzojola indoda enemali, because this girl has been dating Edwin Sodi, lo oyisigwili odla amathenda odokotela odla amathenda aseyibhedlela. Girl comes from that money, and now it's Julius Malema. So apparently Julius Malema bought her a G-Wagon, my darling, and umrentela apartment lapha ko Bryanston Hyde Park indaweni eyibizayo. So bayajola. So according to the source Mantwa umyekisa Julius Malema ubufebe. So nje that's it. So ukuthi uGayi uyayijolela akadla. Sizokhumbula vele uJulius Malema ukuthi he rose to fame. A journalist Queen esasaziwa ngoPunani esaveza iPunani. So he loved things anyway before eshada vele esettle shut down. So kubuke ngazo azange ayekele ukuqhubeka nomjolo uqhubekile wajola. Hence the wife has decided to say, you know what, let me file for divorce. If you go through Malema's Instagram, yes, you'll realize that the wife has been deleted. Chances are the rumors are true that they are going through a divorce. Mama would say no, I got put so it looks like 2024 wasn't a good year, because that's the same year where Floyd Shivambu left Julius Malema. The party at Julius Malema, the numbers are dropping. There's no support, like how he's losing chairs. It's a lot. So it's a developing story. Malema hasn't said anything. No one has said anything from Malema's family or Mantwa's family. Mantwa is very private. He doesn't even have social media. But as a stand, Julius Malema, the leader of EFF, has or is going through a divorce. The wife said in Kiakshia because of a side chick. There's another rumor that Malema has another child with Tutu Marasal, Waseswazini, and Umkulilisile. So Antantile doesn't have a child with Malema, but Malema has another child. And bear in mind, Malema came Gulomshato ini ngane vele yakhe endala, and then he got 2 kids from Mantham. Love and light to the Julius Malema of EFF if he is indeed going through such a process, which is not a good and a nice process.